Hello, San Diego City College students. Today I will teach you how to enroll in the New Student Educational Planning Workshop. Now, you're going to start in the Counseling Workshop website and then scroll down to the New Student Educational Planning Workshop. You have to make sure that you have completed the New Student Online Orientation and that you have access to your Math and English placement, which is available in your student portal. The workshop is held through a platform called Canvas. Here are the login instructions you will need to sign up. You need your username, which is your student ID, your password in 8 digits, and then you're going to go ahead and click in Enroll here. Once you click there, it's going to take you here. Usually it has the login page. Once you log in, you're going to go ahead and click Enroll in Class. Once you click Enroll in Class, you're going to go to your dashboard. And this is the icon for the New Student Ed Planning session. Click there. And this is what it's going to look like right here. The first step is going to be clicking on Welcome, Start Here. You're going to watch the videos, read through each of these, and then click on to the next module. At the end of the modules, you're going to have the opportunity to answer a quick assessment. With this assessment, as a counselor, we're going to be able to provide you feedback for a semester or 2 semesters. Thank you for listening.